In this video, I will teach you how to write a number in scientific notation. So let's get right to it. Before I teach you how to write a number in scientific notation, first we need to define what exactly is scientific notation. Scientific notation is simply writing a number as a value between 1 and 10 multiplied by a power or multiple of 10. So, for example, numbers expressed in scientific notation could include 1.25 times 10 to the power of 3, 8.47 times 10 to the power of 9, 5.32 times 10 to the power of 13, and 2.71 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Now, let me tell you how to write a number in scientific notation. To write any number in scientific notation, complete the following steps. Step 1. Move the decimal point along the number until the point is behind the first non-zero digit. That is, just at the right of the first non-zero digit. Step 2. Simply multiply the result by 10 raised to the number of places the decimal point moved. Now, let's go through an example. Let's say we want to write 37,120,000 in scientific notation. To do this, we need to move the decimal point until it is just behind the digit 3, towards the left of the number. In this case, we need to move the decimal point by 7 places to the left, which is why we will multiply by 10 to the power of 7. Therefore, 37,120,000 is equal to 3.712 times 10 to the power of 7. Now, there is something important for you to know about moving the decimal point. Whether the index or power of the 10 is positive or negative depends on whether you move the decimal point left or right. More specifically, if you move the decimal point to the left, the power of 10 will be positive. So, for example, when we look at the number 849,000, we need to move the decimal point by 5 places to the left. Therefore, 849,000 equals to 8.49 times 10 to the power of 5. Now, on the other hand, if you move the decimal point to the right, the power of 10 will be negative. So, for example, when we look at the number 0.0001362, we need to move the decimal point 4 places to the right. Therefore, 0.0001362 equals 1.362 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Let's go through some more examples. Let's say we want to write 724,000 in scientific notation. In this case, we move the decimal point by 5 places to the left as shown. For this reason, the answer is 7.24 times 10 to the power of 5. Now, let's say we want to write 0.000000838 in scientific notation. In this case, we simply move the decimal point by 7 places to the right as shown. Therefore, the answer is 8.38 times 10 to the power of negative 7. Now, let's say we want to write negative 4,652,000,000 in scientific notation. In this case, we move the decimal point by 9 places to the left as shown. And therefore, the answer is negative 4.652 times 10 to the power of 9. Finally, let's say we want to write negative 0.0000000000142 in scientific notation. In this case, we move the decimal point by 10 places to the right as shown. Therefore, the answer is negative 1.42 times 10 to the power of negative 10. I hope that everyone has learnt from this video. If you have learnt from this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.